Hi there. I'm Leonora Fuller with the law firm of Fuller & Fuller in the state of Washington. We practice in the areas of medical malpractice and personal injury law. Today, I'd like to encourage you to call an attorney as soon as you can after you've been involved in an accident. I'm hoping that it'll be our law firm, but I think that the information that I have to share is just general information about the wisdom behind seeking counsel as soon as you've been in an accident. There are many reasons for this. First of all, people are amazed at how many things they have to worry about after they've been in an accident. They have to worry about their car, getting it repaired. They have to worry about their injuries, getting to a doctor, getting to an emergency room. And so hiring an attorney early on in the process eliminates many of these worries so that you can focus on the most important thing to do, and that is to take care of your health. Some of my clients who wait too long to hire an attorney have certain things develop in their cases that are pretty much impossible for me to remedy. For example, they don't go in and get medical treatment for a certain time period. May it be a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, sometimes a month or more than that, and they just try to heal on their own. The problem with that is that there is no evidence, written evidence, medical evidence that they have been injured, and it's very difficult to undo that damage once they come to see me after that treatment gap has already happened. The other thing that some of my clients have failed to do when they wait too long to see an attorney is to fail to document that they've had to miss time from work because of their injuries. By that I mean that they need medical documentation from their provider that they're either too ill or too injured to go to work. So they just stay home from work for a day or two without any medical documentation to show that they aren't able to do their work. And that's a crucial piece of evidence that you need to get compensated for the time you miss from work. Some clients don't even tell their employer that they're staying home because of their injuries from an accident, so there's no way that the employer would know or be able to document later that they are missing time from work or using vacation or leave time because they're injured from an accident. So some of these things can be remedied later, but others cannot because too much time has passed. The other thing is that when my clients do seek medical treatment, it's important to get those bills paid as soon as possible. And many times they don't fill out the necessary forms to get those bills processed properly. Another piece of evidence that sometimes is lost because they're not told about it or they don't realize that it needs to be preserved are photographs. Photographs of things that may not exist a month or two later. For example, bruising, wounds that may have healed, or even car damage on a car that's been totaled and it's been removed, or a car that's been repaired. There are important items that need to be preserved soon after an accident and important advice that accident victims need to get immediately. And it's a good idea to call an attorney as soon as you can so that you know what these things are, so that you can focus on the things that you yourself can take time for, such as getting better and seeking medical treatment. If you have additional questions about this subject, please feel free to call our law firm. Thank you.